Is it time to buy or sell NVIDIA stock? In this video, we're diving deep into NVIDIA. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, 30th May 2025. And now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 27th of May 2025, our system has ranked NVIDIA as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.12. Let's review the stock's performance throughout this time frame. Unfortunately, the stock has not performed as anticipated, resulting in a loss of 0.27% thus far. This equates to an average decline of 0.07% each day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is situated in the upper section of a very broad and robust upward trend in the short term. This scenario may present a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower section of the trend is anticipated. A breakout above the top trend line at $139.51 would initially signal a stronger rate of increase. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of 16.52% over the next 3 months, with a possible return fluctuating between negative 8.73% and positive 20.30%. In terms of the longer term, our 12-month analysis projects a change of negative 0.93%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 31.01% to positive 9.14% over the coming year. In today's terms, this would position the future price somewhere between $93.22 and $147.49. Our latest daily update for NVIDIA presents the headline, NVIDIA's stock downgraded from strong buy candidate to buy candidate after Friday trading session. The NVIDIA stock price decreased by 2.92% on the last trading day, Friday, the 30th of May, 2025, dropping from $139.19 to $135.13. During the last trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 5.04%, ranging from a low of $132.92 to a high of $139.62. The price has been quite variable during this time, resulting in a gain of 0.22% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, trading volume declined on the last day alongside the stock, which is a positive sign as volume typically follows stock movement. On the last trading day, the volume decreased by 44 million shares, leading to a total of 323 million shares being exchanged for approximately $43.69 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price recorded was $153.13, while the lowest price was $86.62. Currently, the price is 11.75%, or $18, below the 52-week high, and 39.40%, or $87.85, below the all-time high reached on the 15th of January, 2018, when the price peaked at $222.98. NVIDIA continues to attract attention with its substantial growth amid market volatility and geopolitical tensions. Recently reported earnings for the first quarter of fiscal 2026 showcase the company's remarkable resilience, even in the face of an estimated $4.5 billion setback in revenue due to challenges in China. Despite these hurdles, NVIDIA's management has expressed confidence in a robust global demand, particularly from markets in Europe, Japan, and the Middle East. They project impressive year-over-year growth of over 60% for the upcoming quarter, reflecting strong operational efficiency. Additionally, NVIDIA's strategic alignment with OpenAI and other tech companies illustrates a growing commitment to domestic infrastructure investments, positioning it at the forefront of the AI revolution. The potential of NVIDIA's partnerships and its leadership under Jensen Huang reinforces its standing as a premier player in AI technology. In the short term, however, NVIDIA's stock could face volatility due to ongoing US-China trade tensions, causing investors to closely monitor tariff developments. This could create fluctuations in trading as the market reacts to political headlines. Conversely, NVIDIA's strong performance and promising forecasts may bolster investor confidence, leading to potential upward momentum in the long term. Ultimately, how NVIDIA navigates these challenges will be critical in shaping its stock performance in the future. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 29th of May 2025, it was reported that Benchmark assigned NVDA a buy grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 29th of May 2025, it was reported that Wedbush assigned NVDA an outperform grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 29th of May 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned NVDA an overweight grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 29th of May 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned NVDA a buy grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 29th of May 2025, it was reported that Barclays assigned NVDA an overweight grade with a hold action. Analysts have given NVIDIA stock a general buy rating. They rate the price-to-earnings ratio as sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. For return on investment, the analysts assign the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for NVIDIA. The NVIDIA stock shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between the two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support can be expected at $134.37 and $118.96. A drop below either of these levels could trigger sell signals. Some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Thursday, May 29, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by 2.92%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is identified. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. The volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which reduces overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger. Buy signal 39 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 22 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 21 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 27 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 15 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 6 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for NVIDIA. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $114.33 and $114.06. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level may lead the stock to fall to the next support level. In this instance, NVIDIA finds support just below today's level at $114.33. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $114.06 and $107.57. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. And with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be high risk. During the last day, the stock fluctuated $6.70 between its high and low points, which is a movement of 5.04%. Over the past week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 3.08%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for NVIDIA, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A high PE ratio could mean that the stock is overvalued or that investors expect high growth rates in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is expected on the 27th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 98 cents. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for NVIDIA. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for NVIDIA is at $135.34. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, NVIDIA encounters its first support level at $114.33. If this support level holds, it could serve as a promising entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for NVIDIA from multiple analyst sources is to buy. Now, let's review some recent insider trades. On the 21st of March, 2025, Robertson Donald F. Jr. executed an insider sale of 1,900 shares of common stock. On the same day, Robertson Donald F. Jr. conducted another insider sale of 2,300 shares of common stock. Again, on the 21st of March, 2025, Robertson Donald F. Jr. sold 300 shares of common stock. On the 19th of March, 2025, Robertson Donald F. Jr. sold 5,689 shares of common stock. On the 20th of March, 2025, Shaw RTS executed an insider sale of 2,300 shares of common stock. Based on the most recent 100 insider trades, we've determined the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 54.022. Overall, insiders purchased 1,811,784 shares and sold 8,523,220 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $128.85, reflecting a decline of 4.65%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which results in a higher risk. Moreover, there is a sell signal indicated by a pivot top that was identified 1 day ago. Is NVIDIA stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current price level may present a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable chance for NVIDIA stock to perform well in the near future. However, due to some minor weaknesses identified in the technical analysis, we have adjusted our recommendation for this stock from a strong buy to a buy candidate since our last evaluation. After reviewing the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 2nd of June, we anticipate that NVIDIA will open higher by approximately 760 of a dollar and commence trading at $135.89. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.